Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your Affirm account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on whatever mobile you are on, and simply go ahead and open or search for Affirm just like that, and click on this application, download and install it onto your device. Once it is downloaded, click on open, and now you're going to be on this page where you want to simply go ahead and tap on sign in. And once you do that, you're going to be taken to this window right here. Now, all you need to do is just enter your mobile number, click on continue, and it's going to ask you to verify your mobile number by sending a one-time password or OTP on your mobile, and just enter that back here. It will ask you to create a password and your account will be ready. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.